Maprox is very famous for innovative clamping solutions on measurement machines or in any other kind of clamping problems. In this regard, let me just explain some details to our new Maprox AIR chuck that we have invented for the automation. We tried to include as many as possible features regarding the world famous Maprox flexibility that you are used to our equipment and products. First of all, the whole clamping range of this 160mm chuck can be fully used. I will explain later on how that works. Then of course we have a flat design, so we don't want to use the whole range on the measuring machine. We want to lose as few possible space. Then we have of course very light construction, aluminum with our famous Altef coated design, which is hard, about 50 Rockwell, and as hard as steel. Very important for automation, for turntables, we use a turnable, rotatable chuck, which can be used on turntable measurement machines of any kind. We fix the whole chuck with ISO 40 Morse cone, any like this, or any other kind of flange or adaptation to your measurement machine adapted. So we actuate the whole chuck with pneumatic, with air. So here, if you want to have a look, see how they give some air. What we do is we have a piston which goes against the spring under this little screw, and the very nice feature on that chuck is with that screw you can adapt the clamping force on your workpiece. So this is the spring which is there under the lid and allows to change it for different forces, or just here with a screwdriver to adapt it manually, which is already very powerful tool. Now, we have now some top jaws installed. It works like that, and this is for outer clamping. Just have a little example, put it in there, put some air, and that's it. It's fixed. Open it again, close it again. Now, the very interesting concept of that new chuck is we have a work position and we have an open position to reduce the changeover time from inner to outer clamping. So we put two levers in here, open the chuck, take the 3 jaws out, 1, 2, 3, put the other jaws in there that have a different design, the base jaw, put it in, 1, 2, 3, close again, go to work position, and then put some air in, and you see it's moving in the other direction. So we put a part example here for inner clamping, fixed. Open it again. I will demonstrate it again. Put the 2 little levers in. Open. Take the jaws out. Put the others in. That was the wrong one, sorry. So, done. Moving in the other direction. So you have seen that the changeover time from inner to outer clamping is only a few seconds, and you don't lose any precision, anything like that. Interesting concept is here, as you may know already from different other products of Maprox, the top jaws can be individually designed up to your project and will be fixed with this little positioning, grinded positioning sleeves, which helps to find the right and precise position, screwed and fixed from the lower side with screws. We have different ideas of top jaws. One is, for example, these pin top jaws. You know them from different other chucks, where we can use the whole clamping range and by moving the pin jaws, or like standard kind of stepped jaws with different steps up to your product. So that's all about it. Well, hope you like it, and hope to see any further requests from your side. Thank you very much. Bye bye.